Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. Facebook stories allow you to share photos, videos, and moments with your friends and followers. If you're curious about who has viewed your Facebook story, you can access a list of viewers directly within the Facebook app. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of viewing other viewers on your Facebook story. Let's get started. First, we need to launch our Facebook app by tapping it. Now in the Facebook home feed, you will see your story here. Tap on it. Now tap on the viewers. As you can see, there is no other people viewed this story. To avoid confusion, it looks like this. If one other viewer or two other viewers appear, it is because you've set your Facebook story to public so anybody on Facebook can see that story. Facebook will only allow you to see other viewers if they are on your friends list. So if it's a random person, they will just be categorized as other viewers, so you'll not be able to see who is it or who are they. There is nothing you can do about this, but you can change that and remove others in your story. Look for the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and tap it, and then hit Edit Story Privacy. Here, you can see who can see your story. Now we need to switch it from public to friends and tap Save. Now you will see all your friends that viewed your story. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to see other viewers on your Facebook story. By following these simple steps within the Facebook app, you can access a list of individuals who have viewed your story. Thank you for watching!